Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in South Asia and a neighbor to India and Myanmar. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Desh, Bangladesh. Bangladesh is rich in cultural heritage and natural beauty. Known for its vibrant textile industry, delicious cuisine, and the world's largest river delta, formed by the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Bangladesh, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.